Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Solo Pi Prime pizza oven with AmazingRibs.com's Bridget Binns. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's the Solo Pi Prime gas pizza oven. Like all gassers, it comes with a matchstick holder to light the burner in the event of ignition failure. Saves your fingers and eyebrows. The pizza stone is split in two for easy installation and removal. We tested the Pi Prime starter bundle that comes with some important accessories to ensure you hit the dough running. You get a silicone mat that goes on top because the top gets real hot, and a nice infrared thermometer, an essential item for pizza ovens, and a nice pizza cutter. The gas line is pretty short for this tabletop unit without a cart, so you'll have to place the LP tank up high on a stand or on the table near the oven. And you get a nice Solo cover. We didn't need that matchstick. The piezoelectric ignition worked like a charm. It didn't take long to heat up. We were ready to launch our first pizza in around 20 minutes. We'll wait for this to seize up, then start turning. We just unseized it from the stone, and it is sizzling. Pop that bubble right there. Turn it around. Ooh, and we're starting to get some nice leopard spotting. Pi Prime gets hot and cooks pizza fast. So don't walk away or get distracted. It passed our main pizza oven test with flying leopard spots by cooking the bottom and top at the same time. Some ovens can't. So far, so good. Read our full review to get the whole story. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's Amazing Rubs and Sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.